Right people, this one today, this 93.5 Parker. Little hole there, I'm not sure what that's for. Shall we strip it down and see what happens? Right, two bits. Oh, I like these ones, come up my hand. Inside out. Lovely, lovely, nearly there, aren't we? Nearly there. They're staying in because I really don't want to break them, and they're getting awkward to turn, and there's a long way to go on the buggers. Right, so first things first. Let's see if we can't balance out. Turn them round. Bit on this side. Tighten. I want a little bit of oil on there, a little bit of oil on there. A little bit of oil down there. A bit over the edge as well. A little bit on the bottom in there. Right. Let's put that in there like that. Right. Now, get a few of it. Look at that on the camera. Hear that? Listen. So, do half a turn. Oh, I think that's it. Ready, people? Spot on. Sit through there like that. And this middle one needs to go in there. We'll give him a little bit of oil as well. Somewhere I've got a craftsman that'll fit this. But I don't know where. Right, so that's done up tight, right, but that still moves, see that? I'm going to go through there like that, and then we do this one up, like this. Now, all you Americans, I need to know what goes in here. I've seen a video, and I'll insert a picture now, and you please tell me if this is correct, and if so, what is it for? Don't forget, people, if you're liking it so far, YouTube has created that little thumbs up button for you to show your appreciation. Now, you might think that's finished, but it's not. I'm going to have to fade out and then do this over the next 10 minutes or so. And this is now my favourite part. I honestly don't think it can get any better than this. I may well have to stop. And I'm going to say thank you all for watching my video.